Another cold day, another new project. I want to start by straightening out this nail. Then we will use a makeshift lathe to make sure that it is straight. Sometimes you gotta use what you got. Once we get it close, we'll be able to cut it to size and start threading. I'll be using a chisel to mark where I'm wanting the slot to go. Then to get a little bit of color, I'm going to be dipping it in some oil after heating it up. Now we'll be able to get ready to reassemble and see how it works. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.